many friends do you have in college?
Yeah, it is the very important question of my life because instead of anything, I prioritize my friendship. Even when there is a scenario like someone is failed in his class and he has to repeat the class. So he becomes more introvert and he used to stay in his own world. But I was the only guy that I was having most of the student were my friends, and when I moved to college I was having around 20 friend circle. Like, I have also having close friend at the same time, but I went to the camp in NCC. There also I made numerous friends there. So I think if I will move to the another state, I can say that I have friend in Madhya Pradesh, I have friend in Andhra Pradesh, I have friend in Chhattisgarh. So I think I have a lot of friends. I cannot count it.
Sir, your reporting was really very motivating. It motivated me also too much.
Yeah.
I would like to ask that who was a friend who motivated you very much? Or were you having any friends that time?
Like I mentioned that I was the only responsible of myself. I used to taking risks upon myself. I was the only person, like I used most of the time I used to spend with myself, and I used to scrolling mobiles and all the things. So there are many motivational videos. Even like I am the guy, there are many guy which has happened with them also. So there are many students, or there are many motivational inspirational YouTubers are also there who shared so many stories. So I used to follow them, and that's the story.
Questions?
Yeah.
You said that you were very depressed that time. So my question is, who was your biggest supporter that time?
Yeah, that time was very can say that it was very sad time for me, and even I was not able to hold it, because it is the time when everybody is asking you that why did you fail, and what is the reason why you are not a good study, why you are not a good student. You should be prompt in your school life, like actually at least you should study so that you can pass the examination. It's not that big deal. So at the time, the only one person who understood me, that was my brother. When I was crying over the terrace, so he came to me and he gently said to me that, see, it is just a bad day, it's not a bad life. So it was the quotation I marked in my life, and it was very motivational for me. Thank you.
What is your biggest grudge in your life?
Raj, can I know the meaning?
Grudge मतलब सबसे बड़ा जो दोष होता है, I mean जो सबसे बड़ा
Which affected me a lot. Yeah, so I understood the question. So I think being a self-centered guy, being a introvert guy, it is the biggest mistake of my life, because the world is around. You should actually explore the world. Instead of being with self, it is better to explore with the people. So I think I wasted almost 8 years of my life with myself, I can say.
Sir, if you get a chance to meet your inspirational person,
Yeah.
whom you will meet?
So again, I will mention the same guy. I would meet my brother, because I used to spend very less time with him, because he is in Indian Air Force and he used to come twice in a year. So, but there are no any idle person in my life instead of him, because he is the only guy who, at my worst, he supported me. At my bad time, he always used to praise me that, yeah, you have a caliber, you can do so many things in your life. So it was the motivation, because when I was in 12th class, I got low marks. Like I said, in 11th, I got 6th position in the whole class. So, but when I entered the 12th class, it was quite difficult for me. But still, he was like, you have a caliber, you can do so many things in your life. Just a piece of paper will not make your life. Try to improve and gain such kind of qualities. So I would like to meet
Now
him.
you are introvert or ambivert?
Yeah, there is a word like there is a three word: extrovert, introvert, and ambivert. So I would like to just elaborate the three words. Like introvert, the guy who used to be in himself. So he is an introvert. Most of the time he used to spend the time with himself. And the extrovert guy, he's like he used to interact with the people, and he used to like mostly he is in all the he can do all the co-curricular activity like dancing, singing, and all. But I will suppose myself and I will assume myself as a ambivert, because it is a word, the meaning defines that a man who realizes the situation where he should talk, where he should open himself, and if there is not kind of the situation, then he should be in himself. So I think I am the kind of that person.
Okay, last question.
Sir, why your parents did not support you?
See, like I said, I didn't mention that the boy was I was like that because of bad experience of life, because in my family there were many incidents I would not like to share, but it was quite like say that it was trauma for me, and I don't forget it. I don't know how, but yeah, it affected me a lot, the family situation. So that's why. So at the last, I would like to, if you would like to ask me any question, that I would like to answer.
Actually, I don't have any question, but yeah, I must tell you one thing.
Yes, sir.
That you have given this reporting very nicely. Actually.
Yes, sir.
I loved it.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
And, some other remarks I will mention at the end of this.
Okay, sir. Sir, last I would just take just 2 minutes. This is for all of us. Then I just want 2 minutes. That just hold your hand like that. Please, everyone, hold your hands like that, and close your eyes, and just try to listen my words. Chandra Prakash sir, please close your eyes. So just try to focus on my words. That अब मैं हिंदी में बोलने जा रहा हूँ मैं. देखो, सक्सेस और अचीवमेंट दो अलग अलग चीज़ है. सक्सेस हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, लेकिन अचीवमेंट हमारे हाथ में है. और कभी भी सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, हमेशा ईमानदार रहो अपने काम में. हमेशा जो इंसान अपने काम में ईमानदार है, उसे भगवान भी नहीं रोक सकता सक्सेसफुल होने से. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल.